Now let's create an instant dog or giraffe to a dog. Okay, I'll show you what I mean. So here we go. First, you need to inflate a balloon like this, fully inflated. Now, this time let's create giraffe first. Of course, it's just the same figure of a dog, but of course the difference, the giraffe has a long neck. Okay, so now we create the mouth of our giraffe, the head like this, a neck possibly like this long, approximate 15-inch. This is the front legs. Create 4-inch bubbles here, another 4-inch bubbles here, and another 4 or 5-inch bubbles here, and of course another 4 or 5-inch bubbles here. Make a loop, wrap it around, twist it around, just like this. So instantly, as you notice, we have a giraffe here. But like I said, you can turn this into a Winnie dog. I'll show you how. So just turn this like this. Now, turn this. So instantly, we have a dog here with a short mouth. See?